Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video is going to be like a makeup tutorial, but it's going to be voiced over by my sister. I will actually this time have all the products down below. So for this video I collab with Scentbird. Scentbird is a company that is monthly subscription, but instead of sending you makeup or products like that, they send you perfumes. And the perfumes that they send you are designer and high top quality perfumes. So the one that I got was the Versace Bright Crystal by Scentbird. So it comes in a little baggie like this, and inside of it is your scent. And it's little travel size, and so what you do is twist it and then you spray. But it's a super cool company. Lets you try out a bunch of expensive perfumes without having to pay the full price for it. The link will be down below for you guys to try them out. You could just try it out for the first month and see if you like it. But it's super cool. It's perfect for traveling, so you don't have to take like the whole bottle of whatever you use. But yeah, the link will be down below and check them out. But yeah, let's get started.
Okay guys, so first we're going to put some concealer on the eyelids, Then you're going to smooth it out with your fingers, and then you're going to add an extra layer of it. And smooth it out with a brush this time, Make it smooth. And then you're going to use some brushes, and then this palette, it's a Morphe palette. And we're going to pick this light little orange, right? And then we're going to tap it. Tap it, tap it, tap it. Ooh, lick it, ooh. Just kidding, don't lick it. Okay, and then you can make this duck face. Keep on making the duck face. Don't ever forget to stop. Not make the duck face, because that will always help you do your makeup. So never stop. So now we're gonna add another layer, but a little light layer, but on the eyelids. And then we can keep doing this duck face, Don't stop. Okay, and then we're gonna add another layer of this little brown on the eyelid. Don't forget your other eyelid, and then we're gonna add the orange again, don't forget, and then you can get some shit in your eyes, and you can make this weird face. Ugh. And then we're gonna add it more. Fuck again. And then we're gonna add another eye. We're gonna use this low light brown. Put it on the corner of your eyeball, and then tap it. Tap it, tap it, tap it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, and then we're gonna add more, and then put this little box, and not show it inside the little box, But it's the contour, guys. And then you can make this weird side duck face face. And then you can do it again. And then you can get the forehead too. Don't forget the forehead. So just in case you do 5 heads, that would be 5 heads. If you guys want to make it smaller, just use some contour. And then after that, don't forget to do your jaw, guys. Don't forget to do your jaw and make that face. Don't stop, like I'm saying. Don't ever stop, because that's the only thing will help. And then you're gonna tap, tap, and then you can use this blush. It's called pink blush, which I don't know what it's called. I think it's just pink. But you're gonna make this creepy face while putting it on, like you're about to do some crazy shit. But you're gonna add highlight now. Make it look really highlighty and shiny. And don't stop putting highlight, because who can get it off? Nobody. And then now you're gonna add some highlight under your eyebrow. Don't ever forget, that makes the whole thing look on fleek. And then we're gonna do the eyelashes, which is curling the eyelashes first. Right? And then we're gonna just fall asleep doing them. And then after that, we're gonna put some mascara on. And make this weird face, Keep putting that on, and on, and on, and on, until you can't get enough of mascara. And on, and on. And then after that, you can put some eyelashes on. Look at that. Okay. Oh shit. I mean, crap. Look at that freaking highlight, though. That was freaking nice. Wow. Where you can fix the eyelashes. Don't forget. Because they look like spider legs. Nope, we can't have that. Nope. But then we're gonna put some pink nut on your lips. Don't forget that. They're really nice. It makes your lips look plump. Like some Another way.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on social media. Subscribe. Please subscribe and thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Show some love on my social media. Add me on Snapchat. That's mainly where I post when I post on YouTube. If you want more videos like kind of like this, like voiceovers or like more with my sister, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.
They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on